Hello and welcome to today's training on making an incredible cup of coffee using the bodum Santos Coffee Maker. We will discuss on how to use the coffee maker as well as how to clean it. The first thing that we want to do is wash our hands. This is the very first step in using any of the equipment I'll be showing you today. Now that we have washed our hands, let's get started. First, we will start with measuring the water in the coffee grounds. Pour 6 ounces of water for each cup of coffee you are making into the bottom glass container, also referred to as the bowl. We are making 2 cups of coffee today, so that would be 12 ounces. Place the bowl on the gas stove. Do not ignite the gas. We will turn on the stove in a later step. Next, we will set up the filter and the funnel. Insert the filter into the top of the funnel so it becomes inserted into the glass tube. Pull on the chain at the bottom of the filter gently and secure the hook onto the edge of the glass tube. This secures the filter in place. Insert the funnel with the glass tube into the top of the bowl. This will create the vacuum seal. Use 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds for each cup of water you added and place them into the funnel. Any type of coffee grounds will do. We're only making 2 cups of coffee today, so all we need is 2 tablespoons. Now we will begin the brew process. Ignite the gas stove and bring the water to a boil. The water in the bowl will now rise into the funnel and mix with the coffee grounds. A small amount of water will remain in the glass bowl at the bottom. Once the coffee grounds and water are boiling, let the coffee brew and bubble for about 45 seconds. A little reminder, if no water remains in the bowl, it must be removed from the heat immediately since there is a risk that it will crack from the heat. After the 45 seconds of brewing, remove the coffee bowl from the heat and place on another burner. Coffee should now pass into the lower bowl. Not only does this coffee maker make a great cup of coffee, it's also fun to watch. Once the coffee has run out of the funnel into the bowl completely, remove the funnel and place it upside down on the counter. For easy cleanup, I am placing the filter on a paper towel. The coffee is now ready to drink. Pour into each cup and serve. Our final step is cleaning the coffee maker. First, we'll start emptying the funnel. the filter hook from the glass tube and allow the coffee grains to release from the funnel. Empty the grounds onto the paper towel and discard. You may need another paper towel to remove the coffee grounds that are stuck to the funnel. If there is any extra coffee, you want to empty any remaining coffee from the pot into the clean sink. Then you will need to fill up a clean sink with hot water and sanitizing dish soap and create suds. Place the empty bowl, funnel, and filter into a hot, soapy sink. With a sponge, wash the inside and the outside of the bowl, the funnel, and the filter for about 1 minute each. Once completed, press thoroughly and allow to dry in a drying rack. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation, and now you know how to make coffee using the Bodum Santos Coffee Maker, as well as how to clean it. Happy brewing!